right, another quick update on the ride home on November 18th, 2016 in Mille Lacs County, Minnesota. If you look off to the side, you can see how it turns into whiteout conditions. On the other side of the road, there's just clouds of snow over there. And straight ahead is pretty snowy already too. All the local area clinics are closed down due to weather or power outages. Hospitals only offering emergency services. Grocery stores closed. I was told there are lots of accidents, but we haven't seen any yet, and we're hoping we don't become one. That truck in front of us was just fishtailing. There's probably a slippery spot right here because this is where he fishtailed a bit.
Yeah, because all this snow.
Alright. He has slowed way down because he was pulling away from us, and now we're catching up to him. We only have a few miles more to go, so sorry about the shakiness. I'm zoomed in a little bit. These trees around you. Apparently there's a lot of trees down in the area.
Oh yeah, look over there. Oh, that looks cool. It's like
They look cool when they're frosted. We might go for a four-wheeler ride this afternoon just to